Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Myself Jetal and today we'll be doing the project unboxing of the residential project that is Serene Heights, which is located in Sarjapur, Bangalore, a project developed by Modern Spaces. And in this video, we'll be discussing about project overview, location, amenities, internal and external both, with the parking provision, master plan, floor plan, unit plan, about the current construction status and even the position of the project. Now, before moving further, let me introduce you with Housey. So, Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform, where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers, which will result in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the brokers. So, book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let me show you the surrounding of the project. So I am standing just exactly near the sales office. So this is the marketing office of the project, and about the land parcel is just behind this marketing office where the construction work is going on. Now let's start with the project overview with the help of this miniature. So this is total 7.5 acres of land parcel currently developing with phase 1 in 4.5 acres. And this project will be having 3 towers. This project will be having basement, ground plus 10 floors with 2.5 and 3 BHK premium residencies. Now let's discuss the location part. So basically this project is located on Kada Agrahara Road in Sarjapur, Bangalore, and let me show you the Kada Agrahara Road. So this is the Kada Agrahara Road, and this road on my right hand side will connect you towards Sarjapur. Now about further connectivity and location of the project. So you can connect to D-Mart Sarjapur in just 500 meters. Sarjapur bus stop is 1 kilometers and Azim Premji University is 3 kilometers away from the location of the project. Now coming to the amenities part, and the first one is internal amenities, and all the apartment in this project will be unfurnished with branded fittings and fixtures with vitrified tiles, CP sanitary fittings and many more. Now about the external amenities, so let me show you. This project has 30 plus luxurious amenities with 2 grand clubhouses named Club Ace and Club Aqua, with all the indoor amenities with multi-purpose court, swimming pool, kids play area, garden area and many more amenities in this project. Now let's discuss the parking provision, and this project provides you 2 types of car parking, and that is the basement and the ground level of car parking. Now let's do the master plan. This is the master plan of Serene Heights, which will be developed in 2 phases. So accordingly, this is the phase 1 in 4.5 acres with 3 towers, and this part for future development. Now let's have a look at some of the floor plan. This is the typical floor plan of Tower 1, 2 and Tower 3, having 8 flats per floor, 3 lifts, 2 staircases, where 6 flats of 3 BHK and 2 flats of 2.5 BHK residencies. Now let's have a look at some of the unit plan. This is the unit plan of 3 BHK, 2030 square feet. This is the unit plan of 3 BHK, 1931 square feet. And this is the unit plan of 2.5 BHK, 1634 square feet super built up area. Now coming to the most interesting part, and that is the construction status of the project. So basically the 50% work has been completed as per the construction. Now about the position. So the rate of position of this project is June 2028, but the target position by Modern Spaces is July 2027. If you're looking for more details of the project, you can visit our website www.housey.com, where just not the information and details of the project, but even you'll be able to check the pros and cons of the project. So everyone, this was the project unboxing of the residential project Serene Heights, which is located in Sarjapur, Bangalore, a project developed by Modern Spaces.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project unboxing videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.